Hey guys, Chris Montero, Internet Manager here at Cambridge Mitsubishi. Just here to fill you in on one of the used cars we have on the lot. Today I'm talking about a 2007 Chevrolet Uplander. In the world of minivans, the 2007 Uplander slots squarely into the entry-level family hauling segment. Priced competitively and loaded with standard features, the Uplander is well suited to the needs of small families. Its notable features include an SUV-like styling cues, a standard 3.9-liter V6 engine, and a standard electronic stability system. It also has ample passenger space, sliding side doors, and cargo capacity. This particular model has about 93,000 kilometers on it, so if you guys have any questions or want more details on this car, please visit us at 2211 Eagle Street North in Cambridge or at cambridgemitsubishi.ca. You can also check out our YouTube at youtube.com/cambridgemitsubishi for more videos on used cars, new cars, anything we got going on a lot. Thanks guys.